Alice faithfully visited her late husband's grave every Tuesday, treating it as a personal ritual and their weekly date. She would talk to him about her life, tidy up the tombstone, and reflect on their memories together. One day, while performing her routine, she noticed something unusual, a small hole in the ground near his grave that she had never seen before. Initially, she dismissed it, assuming it might have been caused by an animal or natural erosion. However, the hole seemed too deliberate to be random, and a strange, uneasy feeling urged her to investigate further. Deciding to return the next day, she planned to dig carefully with a small garden shovel to uncover what was hidden beneath the freshly disturbed earth. The following morning, as soon as the cemetery opened, Alice returned to the mysterious hole. She cleared away the leaves that had been deliberately covering it, revealing the freshly dug soil underneath. Digging deeper, her shovel struck something hard, a metal box sealed with a small padlock. Her anger flared at the thought of someone hiding something near her husband's grave. Determined to uncover its contents, she broke the lock with the shovel. Inside the box, she found several bags of white powder, which she did not recognize but immediately suspected could be dangerous. Realizing the potential risk, she carefully placed the box beside her in the car and called the police, explaining the situation and asking for guidance on next steps. As she prepared to leave, Alice noticed two young men quickly approaching her car. Her fear intensified as they tried to break her car window, searching for a weapon or perhaps the box itself. Thinking quickly, she started the car and sped away, managing to reach the police station safely. Once there, the authorities opened the box and confirmed her worst fears. It contained several kilograms of illegal drugs. The detectives explained that these hidden caches were a new method used by dealers to avoid detection, often placed in unsuspected locations like cemeteries. Alice's accidental discovery had inadvertently helped them track down a dangerous criminal operation that had previously eluded law enforcement. Thanks to her bravery and quick thinking, the police were able to identify and arrest the two young men involved. Though shaken and exhausted by the ordeal, Alice felt a mix of relief and pride. She had inadvertently played a crucial role in stopping a criminal operation while protecting herself from potential harm. The experience left her deeply angry that someone had exploited the grave of her beloved husband, yet grateful that the situation ended safely. Reflecting on the day's events, Alice believed that some kind of guardian angel must have watched over her, allowing her to act in time. The shocking discovery changed her perception of her familiar surroundings, reminding her that danger can appear in the most unexpected places, even among the quiet and sacred spaces she thought she knew so well.